3 simple juices to reduce creatinine levels naturally. Today, let's talk about something that worries many people: high creatinine levels. Have you ever felt anxious after seeing your blood reports showing increased creatinine? You probably wondered, why is this happening? Will my kidneys be okay? Honestly, you're not alone. Creatinine is a waste product that your kidneys filter out. When levels rise, it often signals that your kidneys are under stress. But don't worry, alongside medical treatment, nature has blessed us with powerful juices that support kidney health gently and effectively. I know exactly how overwhelming it can feel. Our kidneys are silent workers, filtering our blood, removing waste, and keeping our body balanced every single second. But when creatinine levels go up, it's like your kidneys are crying out for help. Here's the good news: nature has gifted us with so many simple and powerful ways to support our kidneys. And sometimes, the answer is as easy as drinking a fresh glass of juice every morning. In today's video, I'm going to share 3 simple juices that can help reduce your creatinine levels naturally and support your kidneys to function better. These juices are easy to make, refreshing to drink, and gentle on your body. So make sure you watch till the end, because I'll also share a bonus tip that can protect your kidneys for years to come. And before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Eat to Heal, and press the bell icon so you never miss any of my natural healing videos. Let's dive in and learn how to take care of these beautiful little organs that take such good care of us every single day. First, let's talk about a juice that is super easy to make, very refreshing, and known for flushing out toxins naturally: cucumber and coriander juice. Let's start with our first juice: cucumber and coriander juice. A simple yet powerful natural drink for high creatinine levels. You know, cucumber is almost 95% water, which makes it an excellent hydrator. It helps flush out toxins and waste products from your kidneys, allowing them to filter your blood more efficiently. When you combine cucumber with coriander, the benefits multiply. Coriander leaves, or dhania, are packed with antioxidants and essential nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin K, and iron. They work as a natural diuretic, increasing urine output and supporting your kidneys to remove excess creatinine from your blood. To prepare this juice, take half a fresh cucumber and a generous handful of coriander leaves. Wash them thoroughly under running water to remove any dirt or chemicals. Chop the cucumber into small pieces and roughly chop the coriander. Put them into a blender, add about a glass of clean water, and blend until it forms a smooth juice. You can strain it if you prefer a clear juice, but honestly, drinking it with fiber is more beneficial for your digestion and overall health. It gives you an extra dose of nutrients and keeps you fuller for longer. This juice is not just great for your kidneys, it also keeps your body cool, especially during hot days. It helps reduce swelling caused by water retention, which is common when kidney function is slightly impaired. Drinking this juice 3 to 4 times a week, preferably on an empty stomach in the morning or as a mid-morning drink, can work wonders for your kidneys. It also helps in balancing your blood pressure and maintaining your body's fluid balance naturally. But here's a gentle reminder: if you have been advised fluid restrictions due to severe kidney disease or are on dialysis, always talk to your doctor or nutritionist before adding any juices to your diet, because managing fluid intake is extremely crucial at that stage. This juice also helps in reducing bloating and acidity, supports healthy skin due to its vitamin C content, and strengthens your immune system. Coriander has antimicrobial properties that protect against urinary tract infections, while cucumber supports weight management by keeping you fuller for longer with very few calories. It also maintains electrolyte balance in your body, especially important during hot weather when dehydration risk increases. To prepare this juice, take half a fresh cucumber and a generous handful of coriander leaves. Wash them thoroughly under running water. Chop the cucumber into small pieces. Roughly chop coriander, blend with a glass of water until smooth, and drink as it is for maximum fiber benefits. This juice is cooling, refreshing, and healing for your kidneys. Drink it 3 to 4 times a week, preferably on an empty stomach or mid-morning. However, if you have severe kidney disease with fluid restrictions, always consult your doctor before adding extra liquids to your routine. Carrot and beetroot juice. Now, let's talk about a juice that looks beautiful and is full of health benefits: carrot and beetroot juice. Carrots have beta-carotene, which turns into vitamin A in your body and protects your kidneys from damage. Beetroot has nitrates that improve blood flow and reduce blood pressure. High blood pressure can damage your kidneys, so drinking beetroot juice helps keep them healthy. When you combine these two, their benefits become even stronger. Both carrots and beetroot have fiber, which binds toxins in your gut and helps remove them from your body without stressing your kidneys. This juice also increases the red blood cells in your body, which means your blood carries more oxygen and nutrients to all organs. Beetroot gives you instant energy, especially if you feel tired or weak in the morning. It is very good for people with anemia because it has iron and folate. Carrot juice improves your eye health, skin glow, and immune system at the same time. Beetroot helps reduce inflammation in joints and muscles, which is helpful if you feel body pain. Both carrots and beetroots are rich in antioxidants that slow down aging and protect your body cells. This juice also keeps your liver clean, and a clean liver supports healthy kidneys. It helps your stomach digestion to work smoothly, reducing bloating and gas. Drinking this juice regularly keeps your blood pure and your kidneys safe from extra load. It is one of the best natural drinks if you want clear skin, clean blood, and strong kidneys together. To make this juice, take 1 medium beetroot and 2 medium carrots. Wash, peel, and cut them into small pieces. Put them into a blender with a glass of water and blend until smooth. You can strain it if you want, but drinking it with fiber is better. If you like a sweeter taste, you can add half an apple to this juice while blending. You can also add a small piece of ginger for extra anti-inflammatory benefits. Some people add half a lemon to enhance the taste and vitamin C content. If the juice feels too thick, add more water to adjust the consistency. Always drink it fresh to get the maximum vitamins and minerals. Do not store it in the fridge for more than 1 to 2 hours, as its nutrients start reducing. You can also add a few mint leaves for a cooling effect in summer. Drink it slowly, sip by sip, to let your body absorb all its benefits properly. Always wash your vegetables properly to remove chemicals and dirt before blending. This juice increases your energy levels, improves your skin glow, and keeps your blood clean. It keeps your blood pressure normal, which reduces kidney damage risk. If you have constipation, this juice helps clear your stomach smoothly. It also keeps your body cool and reduces internal heat. For women, this juice helps maintain healthy iron levels during monthly cycles. If you are preparing for exams or work stress, this juice sharpens focus and memory. It is a natural detox drink without any side effects when taken in moderation. People with diabetes should check with their doctor before drinking it daily due to beetroot sugar content. For people trying to lose weight, this juice is a healthy, low-calorie drink to include. Adding this juice to your weekly routine will make you feel lighter, cleaner, and more energetic every day. But if you have severe kidney disease, fluid restrictions, or high potassium levels, always consult your doctor first before drinking beetroot juice. Because beetroot is high in potassium, it may not suit people on dialysis. It is always better to start with the small amount and check how your body feels. You can also drink this juice on alternate days instead of daily. Always monitor your blood pressure and sugar levels while using beetroot juice regularly. If you feel dizziness or weakness after drinking it, stop and check with your doctor. For children, give only a small amount, about half a glass, as their kidneys are small. People with low blood pressure should drink it in moderation, as beetroot reduces BP. Never replace your meals with juices. Always use them as a part of a balanced diet. Healthy kidneys mean a healthier and longer life, so take care of them with natural drinks and smart choices. Watermelon juice. And finally, let's talk about a juice that feels like a treat and heals your kidneys at the same time, and most people love it, especially during summer. Watermelon is made up of almost 92% water, and this high water content makes it an excellent natural diuretic. It increases urine production and helps your kidneys flush out toxins, waste products, and excess creatinine more effectively, reducing their burden and supporting their healing process. To prepare watermelon juice, choose a fresh, ripe watermelon. Cut a few slices, remove the peel, and make sure to remove all the black seeds before blending, as seeds can cause digestive discomfort for some people. Put the watermelon pieces into your blender and blend well. You don't need to add extra water, because watermelon already has enough water content. You can strain it if you prefer a clearer juice, but if you drink it with its natural fiber, it slows down sugar absorption and keeps your digestion healthy. Drinking watermelon juice once a day during hot weather can keep you hydrated, cool down your body, and help your kidneys work efficiently. It is also rich in potassium, vitamin A, and lycopene. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant that reduces oxidative stress and inflammation. Your kidneys, protecting them from damage and supporting better filtration. However, if you are in advanced stages of kidney disease with potassium restrictions, it's very important to check with your doctor before including watermelon juice in your daily routine, because excess potassium can be dangerous for people with severely reduced kidney function. Watermelon is rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects kidneys from oxidative stress and cellular damage. It also supports heart health, reduces muscle soreness after exercise, and improves digestion. Due to its water and fiber content, watermelon keeps your body cool, reduces swelling or puffiness, and even improves skin health by keeping it hydrated and glowing. It has amino acids that help in better blood flow, supporting overall circulation and kidney filtration efficiency. To prepare, remove seeds from fresh watermelon slices, blend them without adding extra water, and drink mid-morning or as an evening refresher once a day in summer for cooling, hydration, and kidney support. However, if you have severe potassium restrictions due to advanced kidney disease, consult your doctor before drinking watermelon juice daily. Bonus tip: before we end today's video, I want to share one simple daily habit that can make your kidneys feel refreshed and supported. And that is stretching. Stretching. Yes, gentle stretching every morning can help improve blood flow to your kidneys, reduce stiffness in your lower back, and keep your entire body active and relaxed. Your kidneys are located around your mid to lower back area, and when you sit for too long or lie down for hours without movement, circulation in that area becomes weak. This makes your kidneys work under pressure, and over time, it can impact their health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to Eat to Heal for more simple, science-based health tips. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming kidney health videos. Finally, tell me in the comments, which juice will you try first this week? I'll be waiting to read your responses. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, and see you in the next one.